5 adoption blunders. Okay, this is never fun. Blunder number 1, build it and wait. You create an adoption plan, design personas, come up with scenarios. Then you and your team put together a SharePoint site. You write manuals, quick reference cards, and then launch. Only to discover no one actually visits your site. Blunder number 2, training overload. All right, the site didn't work, so let's just train everyone. The budget goes through the roof, the training doesn't meet everyone's needs, and suddenly the entire organization is stuck in training rooms. Expensive. Oh, and let's not forget the forgetting curve. I think that's what it was called. Blunder number 3, champions without time. Champions. Key users, ambassadors, whatever you call them, they're fantastic. You line them up, build a community, give them all their own hats. But here's the thing, it only works if they actually have time for it, and usually they don't. Blunder number 4, buzzword bingo. ADKAR, enablement, employee experience. I used way too many buzzwords. And guess what? We didn't get anywhere. Blunder number 5, treating adoption like a project. Adoption isn't a one-off. Software never stands still. Updates keep rolling in, changes are constant. And before you know it, you're back with the next adoption project. If there's still budget. If not, you need to get new funding. Again, here comes the cliche, change is the only constant. All right, those were my adoption blunders. You don't need to repeat them because I've already made them for you. Now, I'd love to hear, what challenges are you running into?
You've reached the end of the video. Whoa. Anyway, doesn't matter guys, just click subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn. Bye bye.